So here I've got a slightly harder division, 2,475 divided by 8, and it's also going to be harder because there's going to be a remainder left over, and I'm going to show you how to do that. I've already written out my 8s in multiple addition. Checkpoints, 10 times 8 is 80, half of 80 is 40, which is 5 times 8. Now I'm going to set it out, 2,475 dividing by, and that's the bus stop shape that we make, 8. Firstly we do, how many 8s are in 2? Or 2 smaller than 8, so you can't get any 8s in there, so that's going to be 0. But we can't just forget about this 2. It's like if we had 2 sweets and I said circle 8 of them. You can't circle 8 of them, but you still have 2 sweets there. That's your leftover. That is what we call our remainder. So we're going to put this 2, which is actually 2,000, and we're going to convert it into hundreds. We're going to put this 2 there to become 2,400s. What's actually happening is you've got 2 thousands, and that is the same as, that equals 20 hundreds. Okay, or 2 times 1,000 equals 20 times 100. It's all the same. So we don't have, we're converting our 2,000s into 20 hundreds. We've already got 4 there, so in total we've got 2,400 now. How many 8s go into 24? Using my toolkit, 1, 2, 3. 3 8s, and that's exactly 24, 24. So now we move on. How many 8s go into 7? Well, 7 smaller than 8 again, so it's going to be a 0, and we've got to have a remainder of 7. So we put that 7 there, and again, what's actually happening is we've got 7 10s, and we're converting that into 70 units. We already had 5 units, so in total we've got 75. How many 8s go into 75? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we can't get 10 because we don't have 80, we've got 75, so it's 9. Okay, 9 8 is 72, but we've got 75, so we have 3 left over. 72 to 75 is 3. 3 is our leftover. So we put our remainder as 3, that's what we've got left over, remainder 3. Now we can go a bit further than that. We can leave that as an answer, 309 remainder 3, but if we want an exact number we can use fractions. This is where fractions are great. And this is the same as 309 wholes, and our remainder is 3 that hasn't been divided by 8 yet. That's our remainder. We've got 3 that needs to be divided by 8. 3 that needs to be divided by 8. So our answer is 309 and 3/8.